Hello, my name is Dr. Marc Grossman. For the past 38 years, I've devoted myself to a holistic integrative approach to helping people with different visual conditions through nutrition, lifestyle changes, and eye exercises. Today's topic is Chinese medicine and glaucoma. For the last 25 years, I've been a licensed acupuncturist and integrating Chinese medicine, acupuncture, and herbs with the medical treatment of glaucoma. In Western medicine, we tend to take people's eye pressure, and if their eye pressure is a little high, we call them a glaucoma suspect, and we try to give drugs or medication to lower the eye pressure. So we're treating the number, but in Chinese medicine, we're treating the person behind the number. And we're looking at the underlying pattern behind the condition. In most cases in glaucoma, it usually has to do with the liver meridian. The liver meridian is the meridian that has to do mostly with vision in Chinese medicine. And usually if we have high eye pressure, like an open-angle glaucoma, it usually has to do with stuck energy, stagnant energy, reducing the flow of qi to the eyes, therefore increasing the eye pressure. In fact, one of the herbal formulas that we use as a base is called buplorium and peony combination, which the American name is relaxed wanderer, to relax the system and build circulation. So by using acupuncture to increase the flow of energy throughout the body and the eyes, qigong exercises to increase flow through the eyes and the body, herbal medicine, these are really wonderful treatments that you can use to treat glaucoma with Chinese medicine. So please visit these websites to educate yourself further to be able to protect your precious gift of sight.